What would happen to your body if you completely stopped eating sugar for just 2 weeks? No extreme diets, no intense workouts, just 14 days without sugar. The change that happens inside your body during this short time can affect your energy, mood, skin, brain, and even long-term health. The first 3 days are usually the most challenging. Sugar strongly stimulates the brain's reward system. Each time you eat sugar, your blood sugar rises quickly. Insulin spikes, blood sugar crash, craving return even stronger. This creates a repeating cycle of hunger and desire for more sugar. When sugar suddenly disappears, your brain feels like something is missing. You may experience headaches, irritability, low energy, strong cravings. This is completely normal. It's not weakness. It's your metabolism switching from burning sugar to burning fat. The good news is that most of these symptoms improve after about 72 hours. Around day 4, something important changed. Your blood sugar becomes more stable. When blood sugar is stable, your hunger decreases, your energy becomes steady, and your mood becomes calmer. Many people notice they are no longer thinking about foods all day. They don't feel sleepy after meals. Their mind feels clearer. This happens because the brain is finally receiving consistent fuel instead of constant spikes and crashes. During this phase, the body also begins releasing stored water and a small amount of fat. That's why early weight loss in the first week is often noticeable, especially around the waist. Clothes may already feel looser. By the second week, deeper internal changes begin. Fat burning increases. Your body becomes more efficient at using fat for energy. This causes production of ketones, a stable and powerful fuel for the brain. People often report better focus, sharper thinking, greater mental endurance, not because of caffeine, but because of a stable biology. High sugar intake is closely linked to chronic inflammation. When sugar is removed, joint stiffness may reduce, body issues may improve, and recovery becomes faster. This is one of the most overlooked benefits of quitting sugar. Sugar also raises insulin and certain hormones connected to acne and oily skin. After about 10 to 14 days, many people notice fever breakouts, calmer skin tone, a healthier natural glow, because the body is no longer fighting constant internal inflammation. Excess sugar is converted into fat inside your liver, and over time, this can lead to fatty liver, even in people who are not overweight. When sugar intake stops, the body begins using that stored liver fat for your energy. This is a powerful metabolic reset happening quietly in the background. Stable blood sugar supports stable emotions. People commonly feel less anxious, less irritable, more emotionally balanced, because the brain is no longer riding a roller coaster of glucose highs and crashes. Continuing low sugar lifestyle is associated with better heart health, lower risk of insulin resistance, and healthier brain aging, improving kidney protection in people at risk of diabetes. This isn't a trend, it's a basic human physiology. Quitting sugar for 14 days will not magically fix every health problems, but it can act as a powerful reset for your metabolism, energy, and mental clarity. And most importantly, people discover how much control sugar once had over them and how different life feels without constant cravings. So here's a simple question. Would you try 14 days without sugar? There is no perfectionism, no pressure, just an experiment. Because sometimes the smallest change creates the most powerful transformation. If this video helped you, subscribe to Dr. Max for science-based health videos every single day, and comment below, day 1 or day 14. Where are you starting? Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.